Let's talk about aircraft maintenance, the backbone of aviation safety. These technicians are the unsung heroes, working with powerful tools to keep planes flying. But there's a hidden danger: hand-arm vibration syndrome, or white finger. It starts as a tingle, but can end careers. The very tools that keep planes safe can slowly damage the hands that use them. This isn't about being tough, it's about recognizing a serious occupational hazard. Your hands are your most valuable tools, capable of precision, strength, and skill. But years of vibration exposure can quietly erode that ability. Ignore the warning signs, and you risk not just your health, but the safety of every flight you touch. In aviation, safety is everyone's business, including the people on the ground. Let's pull back the curtain and see what's really at stake. Let's get into it. So, what is white finger? Officially, it's hand-arm vibration syndrome, HAVS. It's caused by years of using vibrating power tools. Imagine your hands' blood vessels and nerves getting battered day after day. Over time, blood flow is cut off, nerves are damaged, and your fingers turn white, numb, and painful, especially in the cold. Early signs: tingling, numbness, dropping tools, losing grip strength. It sneaks up slowly, but the damage is often permanent. Aircraft techs use rivet guns, sanders, and drills, each one sending shockwaves up their arms. The risk isn't from one day's work, but from years of repeated exposure. Ignore the symptoms, and you risk losing the fine touch needed for critical tasks. These aren't minor annoyances, they're your body's warning lights. In aviation, ignoring warning lights is never an option. Listen to your body, take action before it's too late. Why does HAVS matter to passengers? Because a technician's hands are their primary interface with the aircraft. When touch and dexterity fade, so does the quality of maintenance. Over-tightened or loose bolts, missed defects, and dropped tools become real risks. Advanced HAVS can make every task feel like working in mittens, dangerous in a field where precision is everything. Pain and numbness distract, leading to mistakes or skipped steps. Fatigue sets in, and rushing to finish can compromise safety. It's not about laziness, it's a natural response to discomfort. The result? A perfect storm of physical and mental risk. In aviation, there's no room for error. Protecting technicians' hands protects everyone on board. The danger isn't hidden, it's in the tools techs use every day. Rivet guns, grinders, and sanders are essential, but they're also the main sources of damaging vibration. Poorly maintained tools vibrate even more, turning routine work into a health hazard. Tight deadlines and pressure to get planes back in service can push techs to ignore symptoms and skip breaks. Imagine grinding for hours, hands numb, and accidentally removing too much material or slipping and damaging a part. These aren't rare accidents, they're real risks when HAVS is ignored. The threat builds slowly, eroding a technician's skill and safety. Organizations that don't manage vibration risk are gambling with quality and safety. In aviation, hope isn't a strategy. The buzz in the hangar is a hazard, treat it like one. Don't let hidden dangers become disasters. The good news? White finger is preventable. Start with anti-vibration gloves, they absorb some of the shock. Rotate jobs so no one spends hours on a single vibrating tool. Take regular breaks, 10 minutes away from vibration every hour. Maintain tools, sharp blades and balanced wheels mean less vibration. If a tool feels off, tag it and get it fixed. Management must provide quality tools and support a safety-first culture. Invest in low-vibration tools, it pays off in health and quality. Most importantly, report symptoms early. Tingling and numbness are red flags, not badges of honor. Early action can stop HAVS from progressing. Safety is a partnership. Techs and organizations must work together. Your hands are your livelihood. Protect them, your career, and everyone's safety depends on it.